Welcome to our channel. Today, we are exploring the charming town of Norden in northern Germany. Today, we will first explore Norden, known for its unique blend of history and nature, and some of the most iconic windmills in the region. These windmills have stood for centuries, witnessing the changing times and preserving the traditions of this beautiful landscape. So sit back, relax, and let's start this journey through Norden and its surroundings. Welcome to NORDEİCH. This charming town on the North Sea is known for its incredible tidal changes that create a unique landscape. In NORDEİCH, ocean tides change dramatically, creating vast mudflats at high tide, covering the coastline with waves at low tide. These tides shape the environment, supporting a rich diversity of marine life and unique coastal vegetation. Today, we will examine how these forces work. We are in NORDEİCH, Germany, and we discover one of its most charming and serene places, a cemetery by the ocean. In NORDEİCH, this coastal cemetery is not just a resting place. It tells the stories of those who lived with and beside the sea. Against the dramatic backdrop of the North Sea, the cemetery's location is a powerful reminder of the connection between the sea and the sea. As we walk through this peaceful landscape, we will learn the history of this unique coastal cemetery, hear stories of sailors and families, and see how the changing tides add extra beauty and respect. So let's take a moment to reflect and appreciate the quiet, vibrant charm of NORDEİCH. We are touring the region under the guidance of my university friend Kadir, who has been living in Norden for a long time. It is a popular spot for local and foreign tourists with its various sports activities in summer and winter on the NORDEİCH coast.
Bakıyorum.
There are dozens of boutique hotels in NORDEİCH. The majority of tourists who come to this town stay in these boutique hotels for the weekend. Now my friend Kadir, who is my guide, will give me information about Tidal in her native language, Kurdish.
بله هنجي تبينن لنورداخي مت وجزير دي چدبه دناوا روشيدا نسكي چارجارا دناوا 6 ساعت جاري مت وجزير چدبه انا ها هدي de 5 تاتي نزگا پشت ساعت کی او هر زیده به و پشت هر زیده هدي نوا 6 ساعت دا شون واده چه حتى نزگا 10-15 کیلومتر شون واده چه دگا شون واده چونه دا حاری درد که بوده ولی حاری دا خلق و ملت دیویده که خوش حاریت ده به و حاریت جبو جرم مروا گلکی به تندرسته گل ملت دور و تینی بدر که با شفای خوش و حاریت بدر که دادن آنها هنی ببینن گل دیمنن خوش گل دیمنن خوش یاویست حوالی می کامرمان می جهان نشانی واده هم بوا ويراده هيدا.
Come on, let's witness this magnificent natural event together.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your
That's the
friend
wonderful
you're
time.
not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you.
Daily trips are organized to 2 islands from the ship port. In NORDEİCH, details are as in the list.
of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were